In your eyes I found my shelter, a place that understands my soul. Every road that I was walking led me right here to your heart. Through the highs and through the breaking, you were always by my side. And no matter what tomorrow brings, you're the one who will remain. When I fall, you hold me close. When I doubt, you give me hope. You're more than just a part of me.